Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix the WV-109156-2 on the PS5 error. So first of all, you have to just open your favorite browser, like I am using the Chrome browser, and search here for the new tab, and then search here for the EA login, and then tap to search it. So you will find a lot of the websites here, but you have to just open the first website, Electronic Arts. And now you will find here's this type of the interface. Now you have to just click on the profile icon at the top of this page. Just tap on it, and here you will find the two options, sign in and the create account. Basically you have to just click on the sign in. Doing so, you have to just wait for the loading this page. So after loading, you will find here such type of the pop-up. You have to just scroll down and then put here your details of your account that is connected with your EA games. Put your details and then sign in. After this, you will find here this type of the interface. You have to just click on the next, and then you have to just click on the send code, and you will receive a code on your email. So you have to just copy the code from your email and then paste here, and then click on the sign in. Now just click on the link accounts, and after doing so, you can see that your account is linked successfully. So now you have to just restart the game and your error will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information about this error, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.